If there's one thing I wish I knew about money before I started working, it's this. Here's what no one tells you about investing in your 20s. And I wish someone told me this earlier. Most of us think we need a lot of money to start. That's the first myth. You don't need 50,000. You don't even need 5,000. I started with 500. What mattered more than the amount was consistency. When you're 22 or 25, you're not supposed to get rich overnight. You're supposed to build habits. When I started investing, I didn't understand mutual funds, SIPs, or even how to read the market, but I set a rule. Invest first, spend later. Every month, even if it was small, I treated investing like a non-negotiable bill. And here's the truth. Your 20s are your biggest advantage. Not because you earn a lot, but because you have time. 500 invested every month at 12% for 10 years becomes over 1 lakh, 10,000 rupees. But if you wait 10 years and start at 30, you lose half the magic of compounding. The second thing no one tells you. Investing isn't exciting. It's boring. You won't feel rich after a few months. But one day you'll check your portfolio and realize your money made more money than your job did that month. So, don't wait for the perfect income. Don't wait to understand everything. Start small. Start now. Because time in the market will always beat timing the market. That's the secret. And most people realize it too late. Now, I want to ask you a question. What's stopping you from starting today? You have 2 ears and 1 mouth for a reason. Listen more than you speak. It's the best way to learn. On that note, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to share it with a friend. I'll see you next week. Take care.